I will show you how to upload and share files on Google Drive. Open your browser, then type Google Drive. Click this website. Make sure you are logged into Google Drive. Select where the folder will be uploaded. Then drag the file to Google Drive. Wait for the upload process. Then to the top right, click Share. For general access, change to anyone who has the link. After that, copy the link. Congratulations! You have successfully copied the Google Drive link.
Thanks you for watching, and if you haven't subscribed yet, be sure you hit subscribe button.